In today's video, I'll talk about two things that people think they are the same thing, but they are two different things: engine repair and engine overhauling. I hope you have heard about those two terms before. Engine repair and engine overhauling. They are two different things. All of them involve engine maintenance, but they are two different things. Let's go for repair first. Imagine you have a coolant leakage in your engine. There's a specific hose of your radiator that is leaking, and you consult a mechanic to fix that for you. The mechanic replace the hose with a brand new hose, and you put that hose in the engine, and the leakage stopped. That is engine repair. You just repair your engine. Engine repair simply means to sort out an issue, to repair a specific problem on your engine. That is engine repair. Another instance maybe your battery is bad and you replace the battery. What you did is called engine repair. That is not engine overhauling. But let's go to engine overhauling. Engine overhauling simply means you are replacing vital engine components. When you talk about vital engine component, you are talking about the piston rings, the piston. You're talking about the valves. You're talking about the liners, and even the crankshaft will be gauged. The camshaft will also be checked. All the engine vital components will be thoroughly checked. As you are doing that, it means you are doing what is called engine overhauling. Engine overhauling is very broad and it's very expensive to carry out. That is why, for you to know when to do your engine overhauling, it is better you check your service provider manual. There you see how many hours your engine need to run before you can go for engine overhauling. And after engine overhauling, it's as if you just buy a new engine, because all the vital engine component has been replaced. So your engine should serve you much better after engine overhauling. Engine overhauling involves so many expenses, and for you to get it right, it means you have to go to a very good shop and buy genuine spare part. When you can get a genuine spare part from a genuine seller, it will boost the engine power and will help your engine to work efficiently. Now let's compare the two. Now you can now see we have talked about engine repair, we have talked about engine overhauling. So we have seen the difference between engine repair and engine overhauling. You have seen that two of them are two different things. When we talk about engine repair, we talk about solving a specific problem. I give example or an instance of when if your coolant is leaking, your coolant hose is leaking, you replace it. But when you're talking about engine overhauling, you're talking about the engine has been you disassemble the engine, the whole engine has been dismantled. You check, you look for wear component, you look for tear and wear in engine component. Check all the engine vital component. You check all of them: the piston, the ring, the crankshaft, the camshaft. You go to top cylinder, you replace the top head gasket, and so many things that involve in engine overhauling. If you do that, your engine will serve you for a very considerable years. That is the difference between engine overhauling and engine repair. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like. Tell me in the video, in the comment, what you enjoy about the video, and if there's any area I need to improve, tell me in the comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Mr. Engine, thank you.